today's the day after Christmas, 23 is the year, and we're going to use a bead, 5-gallon bead seed stator, and we're going to activate it and see if it will lift up this 20-inch Mercedes-Benz rims that is so stubborn because it's a low-profile tire. 3, 2, and 1. We had about 120 psi, and here we go. Who knows? All right, let's give it a try. Take it out. Hold on to this. If not, we have to use starting fluid, and that's always exciting. Oh, nothing. It didn't do it. The bead sealer didn't do it. Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like you got a tear maybe.
So the other thing is whip it down to get a hole in it so the bead sealer can actually add air in. All right, we can shut down the video.